Hey guys, this is Abe, and I'm back again with another episode of Kicks and Fits, and we're here at the South Street store. Holiday season is coming up soon, and as you guys know, Air Jordan's gonna be dropping some fire, and today we got a little teaser right here with the Air Jordan 11 Platinum Tints. So what Jordan Brand did differently this time around, they replaced the patent leather mudguard with nubuck material. It gives a new type of aesthetic to the shoe, which I love. It creates a softer feel, a more lifestyle feel for me. They kept the same nylon material as they always do on the upper, and it hits a red on there. On the tongue, on the back with the 23, and hitting it with the red Jumpman just complements the platinum colorway of the sneaker. The milky outsole here is, I love what they did with it. Brings the whole shoe together. So today, I'm gonna style these Jordans straight like how I do on the streets. We're gonna go with something simple, some denim, some earthly tone colors. Since we're in fall, I'm gonna try to tie all of that together to complement the sneaker. It's a bit chilly outside, it's a little nippy, so I definitely have to keep that in mind because I don't want to be freezing my butt off out there. So got this jacket right off the bat. I saw it, it's simple, it's black, and it's definitely gonna keep me warm. So this is definitely gonna go on top of the entire fit. Let's look at some bottoms now. Let's look at some bottoms. You guys know I do love the denim, man. KicksUSA always got that fire denim. So some light wash denim here. Slim fit, because you know I'm a skinny guy. I can't get some bell bottoms, I'm gonna look crazy. And you guys know I love the distressing on them. My kneecaps probably gonna be cold, probably gonna be ashy, but don't worry, I'm gonna have some lotion on me. I was looking at this shirt right here, but I don't know, this is a go. I'm gonna leave it. All right, so I was looking at these scripted tees, which I love at KicksUSA, man. Amazing, amazing. But honestly, none of these are gonna go with that simple aesthetic, and they're honestly not gonna match the sneakers. So I look to my left and I see this simple sweatshirt from the North Face. Something just to throw under the jacket. The red on the patch matches the sneaker. So hey, if I'm saucing it up on the streets, you know, let a little drag on my jacket, you'll see the pop of red and it'll go right with the sneaker. What y'all think? It's a hit? The fit is done. The fit is complete. Let me throw this on and we gonna see. Emergency. This jacket is way too big. Way too big. So we gotta find a plan B. Somehow, some way, I need to finesse this fit. We got it. Problem solved. They better have this size. All right, guys, I'm back with the fit. Had to do a little bit of a switch up because the last jacket was just way too big. I love this jacket actually more. I love the olive green colors. It just contrasts better with the fit too. Have the black sweatshirt on the bottom. Extended fit got it a bit bigger, so I have that type of aesthetic to it. The jeans, you know I love the ripped jeans. I know you guys gonna love this. I know you guys. Some of y'all in the comment section be wilding out, but just know y'all gonna love this fit, and I still love y'all though. If you guys like anything that I'm wearing, it's gonna be linked down below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys on my next episode of Kicks and Fits.